Good morning, Manila. This is Abnay. I'm studying in grade 7th in Akash Education Institution beside Manorama Township, Hyderabad, Nalgonda. Today I'll in front of you give a wonderful small speech about B.R. Ambedkar. Let's go to the speech. B.R. Ambedkar, he was born in 14th April 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. He completed the matriculation for the Helpstone High School in 1908. He studied the economical from the Columbia University in New York. He he col- he cl- he launched the newspaper is called Mukunayaka in 1927. He died 6th December in his house in Delhi. Thank you for a valuable opportunity.